what exactly is the immune system? The immune system is a formidable army made up of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body. And just like an army is made up of several units, the immune system is further classified. Let us meet the first unit of the immune system army, the white blood cells, or leukocytes. The leukocytes circulate through the body via our various blood vessels, making sure that there are no unwanted visitors that may affect our bodies. There are two types of cells that make up the leukocytes division of the immune system. Meet phagocytes and lymphocytes. Phagocytes are the first cells to respond to an emergency. Ever cut yourself in the kitchen while cooking? This slit in your skin is a perfect gateway for germs and harmful bacteria to enter your body. But rest assured, because the phagocytes have already taken care of business. These cells specialize in cleaning up dirt, harmful bacteria, and dead or dying cells. If the phagocytes are the bronze of the immune system, the lymphocytes are the brains behind it. Lymphocytes are cells that allow the body to remember and recognize previous invaders and help the body destroy them. The lymphocytes unit of the immune system army is made up of two kinds of soldiers, the B lymphocytes and the T lymphocytes. Simply put, the B lymphocytes are the body's intelligence system that seeks out invaders, locks onto them, while letting the T lymphocytes know that they're up next. The T lymphocytes go to battle against the targeted invaders. So, the next time you have a paper cut, fret not about the bacteria or dirt because your immune system is already on it.